Hello, Madam Fairley's class. I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how to actually incorporate your trigger image and your video to make your aura once those items are saved to your Google Drive. So you guys will notice on my screen here, I have my video up here in the right-hand corner, and I also have the picture that I plan to use as my trigger image. So I've also got Aurasma Studio at the top of my screen here, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. And remember, everyone wants to log in with that universal login information. So the login is LHS Library, all lowercase and one word, and the password is Go Eagles, all one word run together, and there is no capitalization there either. So I'm going to go ahead and log myself in. What I'm going to do when I go back to my drive here as I'm waiting for Aurasma Studio to log in is I am going to actually click on each of my files here, and you'll notice that there is an option up here at the top, an arrow that is facing downward, and it gives you the option to download. Okay, so I've actually already done this, so it doesn't matter that I'm experiencing an error here. So I did that for both my video, and then I also did it for my picture. I downloaded both of those items. And if I go back up to Aurasma Studio up here, I'm already logged in. Great. Okay, so in Aurasma, I want to go ahead and I'm going to create a new aura. And remember, the trigger image comes first. So I'm going to click to upload my trigger image, and then I want to go over here to the right-hand side where it says Browse. Okay. So in my computer here, it's actually popping up giving me the option to access my downloads. This looks a little bit different on my computer because I'm not on a Chromebook. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder, which you guys should also have access to on your Chromebooks. And you'll see that I have some pictures in here. So here's the picture of my sister and me. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click Save. I didn't make any changes to the name of the image. You don't have to do that. So it'll take a second for that to go ahead and upload. And then it should progress and ask me for the next step, which is my video overlay. So you'll see there's my picture. Excellent. And I don't need to make any changes to that. I'm going to go ahead and click Next here. And then, like I said, it's asking me to upload my overlay. So I'm going to click there. And again, I'm going to my Downloads folder. And I'm going to scroll down, and there's the video that I made. Okay. I don't need to rename it. I'm going to just go ahead and save it. It might take a little bit longer for the video to process just because it's a bigger file. Okay, so it finally finished processing my video, and you'll notice that I have some options here. So if I want to actually stretch out my video so that it appears a little bit larger when I have someone hover the app over top of my trigger image, I can make some changes like that. Normally I don't play with any of the features down here at the bottom because it's pretty simple. I'm just adding a trigger image, I'm adding a video. So I'm going to go up to the top and click Next, and here's where it's asking me to add my aura name. So again, I want to add my first and last name. Okay, you don't have to add hashtags if you don't want to, and then you want to go here to Save. Okay, it'll tell you that your aura has been successfully saved. It's really important for you guys to take the next step, which is to push this button over here on the right hand side that says Share. If you don't push Share, then other people can't actually see your auras. So I'm going to click Share, and what it should do is kick me back to a page that has all of the auras that have been made by our username, LHS Library, and you should be able to then see yours pop up, and it will tell us at the bottom here that it's part of a public aura. Awesome. So now, whenever anybody clicks on my aura here and they hover over this with their Aurasma app, then it should go ahead and play my video. Alright, I hope that helps. If you guys need additional help, as I said before, please feel free to come and talk to Mrs. Dotson or myself in the library.